Hi you guys, welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker and welcome to the unboxing of this month's Yarnable. So many of you guys saw in my show and tell where I unboxed the ALC and shared that I would have a separate unboxing for Yarnable this month because I had some extra things that I wanted to share about it. So I am feeling pretty loved and extremely lucky this month. Cheryl did send me a message, let me know that my box for this month had been upgraded and there's some extra things that go into this, which is why we're doing this as a separate unboxing this month. So I did review Yarnable. It's been 2 years ago now. It's been a while. And absolutely fell in love. So I have been purchasing my own box and sharing the unboxings since I finished the review. If you are interested in seeing my review of the subscription box, I will leave a link in the description box. Hopefully I will remember to put an iCard somewhere up here. But you guys, I got the regular subscription box. I pay for the regular subscription box. I have not before gotten the deluxe box. So first off, let's crack into what's in the upgraded box. And then I still have more stuff to share with you guys. There is a link in the description box of where to purchase and all that stuff. Oh, that jazz. It is an affiliate link, so it does kind of help me out, you know, just a little bit. No extra cost to you guys. So we have another one of the zipper pouches that I like so much. Once again, it's just one of those. The bag is durable. The zipper almost never catches. I don't know why this style bag particularly works great, but I've ordered them from Amazon. I've also had some from Wish before that were really good. It's just for whatever reason, this style. I don't know why. Sometimes things just work and they work well. So we got that. We got this absolutely precious tin, little slidey lid tin, which is perfect because the box I've been keeping my stitch markers in on my desk as I'm getting new stitch markers with the subscription boxes is already getting full. And if you can't tell, there's a little bit of a theme this month as we have these adorable stitch markers. And these are, I know they seem really large, but these are super duper lightweight. I've told you guys one of the things I'm very particular about when it comes to stitch markers and progress keepers is the weight. I don't like to add a whole bunch of weight on my project, but these are super, super lightweight. The bee is hollow backed, but even still, he is very, very light. And I do love the bee aesthetic. It might be a little basic, but I do think the bee aesthetic is adorable. Honeybees are fine with me. I'm actually allergic to yellow jackets. So the other thing we got is a handcrafted lip balm. And this is Vanilla Bean. And this is from Bee Bella. Premium lip balm made with only the finest and highest grade ingredients available, including locally sourced Wisconsin beeswax. The Honeybee Notion tin from Twice Sheared Sheet. This tin features a sticker bearing a Yarnable exclusive watercolor bee painted by the owner and lead designer, Dawn Prickett. Might help if I put that up right. Bee and honeycomb stitch marker set manufactured for Yarnable. So there you go. And then we have our little monthly scratch off, which I have not done mine yet this month. And next up is the yarn. So the deluxe box comes with a half skein along with your regular skein. And can I just say, I'm not sure what these are going to be yet. Obviously, I haven't thought that far in advance, but these are adorable. So we have our primary skein, which is this beautiful blue speckle, and this is called Pollen Party. And let me take this out of the wrapper because the wrapper is concealing a lot of just how beautiful this is. Actually, for them, this is a fairly subdued month as far as the color goes, but the beautiful speckle work in here is absolutely precious. This is one of those yarns that would be adorable for a baby blanket. But you have that nice gradation of color. Beautiful little speckles. But, and of course, I wore a ring that this got hung on. If you are not familiar with the insanity that is me trying to do anything, I can't do it the normal way. So not only do we have this beautiful, beautiful blue with the beautiful, beautiful speckles, it is paired with this mama jama. So when you look at the speckles with the blue, with the pink. So this is Cherry Blossom. This is 50 grams on the plush sock, which is what my yarn is. Or Cherry Blossom Bliss. So while I don't plan on doing socks with these, how precious would this be in like a pie shawl where you use this to do like the first inch at the top, first little U, knit your shawl, and then come in and trim it with a picot border in the pink. Am I right? Yeah, I think I'm right on that one. So absolutely, once again, nailed it. I don't think the camera can really do justice to how beautiful that really looks. It's not even that the camera blows it out or the ring makes it. It's just, it's a very beautiful, delicate color. I'm a sucker for speckles too anyway, so. That was beautiful. I very much appreciate the upgrade to my box. But there's more stuff to talk about. So we will set my monthly box aside here. Get that away from the coffee in particularly, because I do have my because caffeine is a girl's best friend. You can say diamonds are all day long. Caffeine is a girl's best friend. All right. Put my ring back on so I don't lose it. I made a purchase. I did leave the little note upstairs, but I made a purchase separate from the box and everything, mostly because I wanted to get this yarn, which is the DK version of the Easter yarn. I will probably also be going to get a DK of the unicorn yarn, because the unicorn yarn and this yarn go perfectly with these two yarns from my ALC. So we were playing with different matches. When I unbox these normally month to month, I go through my basket of ALC and Yarnable yarns and see what pairs up and what matches from previous months. Well, these go very well with this and the unicorn. So I will probably also go and get a unicorn in the DK weight, just because it all kind of works perfectly together and needs to be a shawl. So I actually placed this order specifically to get some bunny, which I just, once again, it's another delicate colorway. This one does play with a little bit more of, like, we have some of the golds in there along with the beautiful gray or the brown in there. Absolutely love it. So, I mean, if I'm going to go through the effort of placing an order, I may as well at least get the free shipping, right? I mean, would I rather spend that $6 on shipping and just get what I intended to get, or if there's other stuff I want, just go ahead and spend the money, and then that money is going towards yarn and not to shipping? I just think that's being smart. So I also bought this Twilight Orchard, which, how beautiful, once again. And this is just from the regular store, hence the Hypnotic Yarn label here. Hypnotic Yarn is the company. Yarnable is the subscription box. But they were sweet enough to send me a coordinate skein to go with this. And this I did not order, but I am very grateful to have these because, once again, beautiful shawl material here. Stormy Skies on a plush sock base, fingering superwash merino, 50 grams. So once again, because the whole reason why my brain went to this is I also ordered this thinking, how perfect would this be for a shawl where you start it here, work the shawl, and then do a picot with this. And this is Toast and Jam and Me Time on a plush fingering. This is 100 grams and 50 grams. But the whole reason why my brain is thinking circular pie shawl with this starting and using the 50 gram to start it, then using this and then coming back and doing a picot is because I bought this thinking what an awesome shawl that would be for fall doing that same style. And then they sent me this, which this would be beautiful for winter and summer for me because this matches a lot of things that I have that I would toss on for summer. And then now I have this as well. So this is absolutely perfect. My brain's just going like, shawls everywhere. Everybody shawls. Shawls for everybody. But yes, that's where, because of course, I mean, if you've been here before, you know I'm obsessed with making shawls. There's just, that's my go-to. If I don't know what to do with a yarn, my brain thinks shawls. I wear shawls. I like shawls. Shawls are pretty. So now I have 3 combinations of what I can do. And not only were they sweet enough to add the extra skein in with my actual order that I placed, I got a packet of extras. Like I said, I was feeling incredibly loved and appreciated the other day. I am not gonna lie, it felt really, really good. I've had like a lot of you guys will remember, you know, we've had the cars broken into, we've had our garage door mysteriously open. We just last night had 3 sheriff's office cars just come flying into the driveway because apparently somebody had called in that there was an injured animal and they thought it was me. And I'm just sitting there going, I don't know anything about this. Why are you flying into my house? I don't know what's going on. My husband had surgery. So the last month has been dramatic, to say the very least. And of course, I'm a very anxious person. So it's taken its toll. It's been a little exhausting for me. So first off, we have another one of these. I can't remember the company that originated. It's not Namaste, I don't think. Maybe it is. Anyway, I love these. And I love these when I'm making socks that use more than one color of yarn. I don't like using anything with Velcro when I'm using yarn. So these are absolutely perfect when you're using like a heel toe and cuffs yarn. And especially if you're doing 2 at a time with 2 balls, because you can use the snaps to separate the yarns coming out. So you don't end up with a tangle outside of your bag. You might still end up with a tangle in your bag, but that's at least a controlled mess that you can, at your own leisure and time, take out and take care of. But I absolutely love these. Oh, Delicute. That's who these are. I knew who it was. I'm not an idiot. I do remember things. I have a brain. I do. I have a brain. Anyway, I love these bags. I think they're, once again, I'm a little particular about bags. I have certain preferences for certain things. That is a very specific one, though. Then they included some of the mermaid binder clips. We got some of the pineapple soak sachets. We have 2 stickers. And one of the Edgar Allan Poe teas, which this was really good. I know a couple of you guys got this in the subscription box too. This was really good. And ironically, now I've ended up with 2 teas. I also purchased an extra skein of the yarn that went with this. I might be a little obsessed. Maybe. I'm not going to apologize. So, I have accounted for my purchase in my budget for yarn purchasing this year. I did hit free shipping, which means that was $100. So, I'm going to go ahead and set this with the yarns they're going to go with for a project. But that's not all, you guys. So, these lovely people didn't just decide to love on me. They decided to love on you. So, I was trying to think of something cute and quirky to do for a giveaway for this. However, like I said, it's been a little dramatic over here for the last month. So I didn't really think of anything. My creative juices just were not flowing for that. I just came off the Spook Your Spring Make Along, and I still couldn't get creative with that either. So we're going to go with old school and super simple. If you've watched this far into the video, you now are aware that there is a giveaway associated to this video. This will be going up, let's see, I'm not sure what today is. It's on the screen. Next Tuesday, which will be here on the screen. Well, Sunday's the 11th, so Monday's the 12th. So the 13th. You have until the 13th to comment on this video. You know what's in it because it is a duplicate of my upgraded box. Tell me what you see doing with this. As I see shawl, what do you see in this? In order to win the giveaway, you must be in the US. You must be a subscriber to this channel. And you must leave a comment on this video. This is in no way sponsored by YouTube or anybody else. This was a gift for me to pass on from Yarnable to whoever and however I wanted to. And I'd want to give this back to you guys. It's an absolutely perfect gift. It's absolutely beautiful. And I hope you guys will enjoy it as much as I do. So get those comments in by the 13th. I'll end it at midnight on the 13th. So heading into Wednesday. We're not going to do anything weird or anything shifty. We'll do some sort of weird number generation picker or something to pick a winner. So last time I used my brother who lives halfway across the country and told him to pick a number. So leave a comment down below. Let me know what you see this yarn being. What does this say it needs to be to you guys? And good luck. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, fantastic day. I hope you enjoyed all of this as much as I am, because I'm just sitting here going, all the shawls, all the shawls, all the shawls with my beautiful sets. Please take care, you guys. I love you, and I will see you all real soon. Bye, guys.